Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by connecting power and selecting the TV input. Plug the Apple TV power cable into the device and a live outlet. This powers the boot sequence, so the unit can broadcast video. Then plug an HDMI cable from Apple TV to the TV's HDMI port and switch the TV to that HDMI input. Once done, the Apple TV's light and on-screen setup prompt confirm power and connection. Make sure your Apple remote has a battery to proceed without delays. Now you'll get the device online and authenticated. If you prefer speed and stability, plug an Ethernet cable, otherwise select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. This allows the Apple TV to download updates and stream. Next, sign in with your Apple ID so purchases, iCloud, and HomeKit sync. Two-factor may ask for code from another Apple device. After that, enable Siri and set location and App Store preferences so recommendations and voice control work correctly. Finish by updating and personalizing the Apple TV. Go to Settings, right arrow System, right arrow Software Updates, and install any update to ensure compatibility with apps. Then download your streaming apps and sign into them. Adjust video and audio settings to match your display and sound system. If you encounter problems, try a quick restart, verify HDMI and power connections, test another HDMI input or cable. And as a last resort, use Settings, right arrow System, right arrow Reset to restore factory defaults. This clears software issues while keeping you moving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.